In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer ton from Bybit to OKX wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have ton available in Bybit and you would like to transfer it into OKX, you can do this easily by starting this process on the Bybit website or app. In here, choose the option to withdraw your assets. So sign into your account and then choose withdraw. You can also go over to your funding account and you will find the withdraw option over here at the action side of every single asset that you have available. So find ton under your list of assets and choose withdraw. Now select on-chain withdraw or switch over to internal transfer depending on what you prefer. And on the coin, make sure that you select ton. Now, the most important thing is that you add the wallet address from OKX. If you still need to add this address, click on the add option and you will be taken into the address book for your account. In here, you will have an address for every single asset. For example, one wallet address for Ethereum, another one for Bitcoin, and so on. You will see the network, you will see the node, the wallet address itself, and you can do the same. So choose the add option, include your ton address from OKX. So this should be the wallet address that you acquire from OKX. If you still need to get it, then I recommend using the mobile app, and from here, go over to your assets, choose ton, and you will find the option to deposit. So when you choose deposit ton, you will be depositing into the OKX wallet. So they will provide the address for you to copy and an optional comment. Copy the address, and now you can input this into all sorts of places, including Bybit. Once you input the OKX wallet address, you will be able to confirm this transfer. So the OKX wallet address is going to appear. You select it from the list, and then you can input the amount and confirm the transfer. Be aware of any included fees, and I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that everything was configured properly. Afterwards, you can send the rest. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer ton from Bybit to OKX wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.